waka damu. Ababa wa waka damu me aketesi ame na me hurihuri sa danko ya me ko bayi. Ha? Ankanya ka me ba yanko kan se ma me eye no kre. De waka no ya pe ba mi fa no fa. Enam se waso ode office wonya sikanti umu ma me umu obia. Wa mfa na ma machia. Hwede ato wo. Etimi koka woni me abanto ni mo hen. No wa pene se me mfa me ba no yanko ba biam de ne. No wa pene. Eti akua de opa ne wonya no. Owusu. De akua pe ne wonya no o.
Adwene wo sen. Adwene wo sen den na office.
Mi de sem ka me yesa ka me san ko biemu.
Onko biem sese.
Mi ko biemu o. Se me ko biemu a wo wusu wan wi na ma pa bibi dia de chi abrante ko achama. Wan wi na ma ko damu. Wati? Mi dia de chi de ko achi. Mi su de on se meye. Me kuku ba me fa dia. Mi be de chi ko achi.
Sama me
ne
kasa ten. Ne dede ni sa nye sa ade ni biem. Ya botra sem. O se adebi mu ade.
Na dia ya me ya ne se oba panyimu atese me no. Wo na ne tese me bio. Wa anya woni. Me ka se ni me se full tantan o, full tantan. Wo bi o mu ade se ni ma me full tantan. Wo ja no obeye me. Ha? Na hwe me ba ma wo no. Uti pe no no. Wo saso no no. If you are oba na wo no, wo jimi na woni minyansa, wo be fa wo akola na wo ye ne tebole ele tete. Ade afo. Fofo don't go me. Fala. Na wa ya usara ati wo. Wo abrante oba na wa kwafa no. Fofo no. Uti pe no no. Wo saso no no. Aso na adin. Na wo yin.
Yanko na. Bibie ni ebi hu.
Se me hunu de menye bi. Owusu. Onko kama se me na me de wo kire ye kora de me se wan hwe ya ka me ye de menye. Ka me bo no. Ka ma bu no. Me se de oye wo ho no ka brante ya ma bu no. So ka ma bu no. Ka me bo no.
I'm sorry for everything that happened, you know. Your mama said everything, you know. We guys met and we spoke as men and we concluded everything. No more beefing, no more disrespect.
So sorry about what? Are you going to apologize for what you did the last time?
You did the same thing and I did the same thing. That's why.
Are you a rude?
You were rude to us, man.
You are rude.
No, you were rude too.
So what you want right now? You want to make peace or what? What you want to make peace?
We're trying to make peace here.
So don't start with the rudeness because I'm going to smack you again. If you blow my hand off, I'm going to fuck you up.
Okay.
I'm
sorry, bro.
So what you want?
Chill, man.
I ain't chill on shit.
No,
I ain't chill shit.
No, just
talk to me, bro.
Okay, I'm sorry. I want peace.
I don't know peace.
No,
no, I'm not. Just talk to what you want.
Okay. Concerning about your mom blindness, yeah. I want you to know that we have gone to so many doctors. I've called her from India, but we say means that your mom can't see again, and he's saying, hey, no, you can't do that. We can't do that because it's a spiritual thing.
Spiritual thing?
Yeah.
What the fuck is spiritual thing?
In Africa, that's what they call juju. What
the fuck is that?
Do you know supu paplapaji?
Dude, spell it out. I don't know what the fuck you can call it. What the
Do you know it?
Is it voodoo?
Yeah, very good. Voodoo.
What the fuck is a voodoo?
Yeah, bro. Do you know something? Your mother, her family do envy her low because she got a whole lot of property. That's why they don't want her to see.
What?
So I've been the one protecting her, trying to make everything possible, yeah?
Alright.
That's it.
Alright.
Bro, you don't know you can ask that swagger boy, that house guy. So no, don't ask him.
So he's voodoo?
It's voodoo, yeah? It's voodoo. I've tried with some maze.
Wow.
See professional doctors. You being a doctor, I know you can see it, but I know you can't heal. That's it.
So wait, you said voodoo?
Yeah.
Which hospital did you try to fiscal, or you tried to make it up, or trying to make peace to condone me, or what? Or you trying to hospital?
No, we have tried so many hospitals.
Which hospital you go?
Confronting, Concro Hospital.
Do you have all the records show that you went to hospital?
I got all the records.
I don't trust you.
No, bro, trust me 100%. You know, I wouldn't say this to you. I would be here just watching you do whatever you want to do. You'll go back. I know definitely you're gonna go back to the state, and I'll be here. I'll claim all the properties. But I love you, bro.
Like, you know, I love my stepmother.
I know you love her.
She is my favorite.
Yeah.
So she is voodoo.
Voodoo.
You know what? I still don't trust you, my fucker, because you're a trickster.
No, bro.
But I need to look into hospital records, because I'm a doctor. Let me look it up. Make sure that what you're not playing into me.
I'm gonna show you. Once she's here, you can ask her, sir. No, I'll not show you. Just ask her, because maybe you might think I can go and print something fake to you. So when she comes again, then you ask her. Kind of hospital that I've taken her to.
So I should trust you.
Just trust me 100%.
One more time, dude.
Yeah, bro.
If you lying to me, bro, I'm gonna fucking blow my fucking head.
No, not the chop, bro.
Don't fucking
no, you're my father right now, yeah? Or you're my bro, yeah? No, I mean, you are my son, yeah?
So wait, cut it out. What do you suggest we should do right now? Because I don't trust you.
Listen. Let's go to a herbalist, or let's try traditional things.
Nkomo bi na mpese me no wudi. Ehum se madam na ni na afia partner so we ti ase. Ebia ye hye inside we di nkoma. Obetimi ate. Niema bi ko so ofia ha Pantan entwe ye kura. Eye bo Stunna. O ye niema bi a entwe ye. Onkan hu se na madam so ana oba afia. Enya madam ani afia anka ese nka wo ma na ni gie. O ye niema wan to bi ma madam usu anajo da suma wia no pa nwumre ama me dwe ho a me nti ase. De bia ya na me kai ni nti o. Ofiri kwa me dan so. Pantan se de wutina kam. Keje ti kam se o mo kwa me dan so a me dwe Yankopon. Kwan so protos. Asi Yankopon adom no wa bedu kuma ase a. Niama akwa ne ye wa ha no. Pantan, ti misiro wona wo ben yi pa misiro nya ne kasa kire. Sanse mpinfo se enam ayi enframa so Yankopon wa yere wate ase misiro. Ti me nam so aka chance nya ne kasa kire.
Swala. Ena say, ochina say, adechi Yesu say. Ade. Ede na wo pani wiase a wo bai. Wo gidie swaga. Eya madam kuni boss. Awa nisa ni bebrebe mpacha wode wo ka.
Oni mika o. Ne tintini ni tietia ne se si a madam nyame ampata so ofiri mu a. Ye na ye tini madam o. Ye na ye tini madam se maami ifiri mu se si a. Ene asante busua uwu ya na busua beje dan. Omuji dan so aka hu se ye mienu adwuma beboye o. Ana boy no so se bio ono kwam dan so obetumi ado afuo. Obetumi ado bankanyafuo, obetumi ado aburafuo, obetumi ado banchiafuo edi adidi. Na menu mienu so e.
Swaga. Hwe emre bia wo kasa, na wo kasa wo kokoso. Wo kasa no akumkom. No ayiri wanim denden no mu na se kusura wo kasa. Asma wo kin. E ntro bebre na wo twa to boy so. Boss wo fia ha minim ne wo ye fia. Obo ne homoden o madam side. Sebi be market achi ante sei. Be ma tenten gram etu na ntro achacha.
Wa kasar minim.
Me pachi mama nunsi na wo si oba ho na oba yi bedwale o sebi. Obejane na ye o sebi. So be sha atali o sebi ni nyina be me ya den. Ye se wonye.
Wa kasar minim de boss na aka ti ohubuom. Ena minim nkomo a woni wadi a wo pe na se.
Enipa ya ade a mo ma ade ni nsomani.
Nipa ya ade a wo sa ye yi a no anja ba de na wa ya e fa yi.
Mo nsomani chire se bla isole o ne dwale no wula ko ya madam. Wula dwale madam. Kaje me say ah. Enya bla ya ne dwale no.
What? I'm not voodoo?
Yeah, I'm not voodoo! Voodoo to voodoo, it's called to voodoo.
I don't hear no fucking voodoo thing, black power shit. I don't hear all that. My dad was a Christian.
Yeah.
Family. But so you being the bad, bro. Right?
No, I'm not being bad.
It's a voodoo thing.
But when you go to Rome, do what the Roman do, innit? You got it. I'm trying to help your mom here. I've been here since 2 months now. She can't see. I'm trying to protect her. I'm being a good guy here. You see, I can step outside, do whatever I want to do.
I got it. You're talking too much, bro.
I'm not talking.
I don't trust you. So you mean the black shit will make my stepmother eyes open there?
Open there. No doctor can heal her.
Wait a minute.
Yo.
If I'm trusting one more time, if I go see that voodoo shit, the eyes not open.
Right. Hey, Raddy, need to be sure, Raddy. One
more chance.
Yeah, one more chance.
Don't blow my fucking head.
Yeah, blow my fucking head, man. Trust me.
Put my trigger. Put my fucking head.
You got how many weeks? 2 weeks days to live, yeah?
Don't fucking know about what I'm living for.
No, you took.
Don't fucking know my business. Them to my own shit.
Bro, no.
I came for business. Taking my dad's property. Let's make sure my stepmother eyes got open.
Okay.
But I'm trusting one more time.
Trust me.
Bro. If I again.
No, bro. No.
Peace. Right, listen.
Peace, yeah? Yo.
Listen, bro. If I Liezer, you fine? Lying my fucking ass?
Yeah, King City where you man there. We're going from Pomo. We'll go for now, yeah.
What we're gonna be saying?
No!
We're gonna be good.
We're gonna be good.
We're gonna be good. Alright. One more time, like I said.
Check. Alright. Check, yeah?
Do you wanna eat some chicken? Leave.
You wanna eat
I ain't the shit. Girl, you're praising me.
Man, no,
I don't trust you.
You trust me, bro. We didn't go from Pomo.
Who the fuck is going?
No, man. He's not a state, man. He's in New York, man.
Where you going?
No, I'm going to see my wife, yeah?
I thought you said she's asleep.
She's asleep. I'm going to watch her, bro.
I don't see her though.
No, she's sleeping. You saw her already, yeah? You want peace? Yeah, peace.
Alright.
Yo, bro, peace.
I ain't no shit, peace. Get out of here, bro. Try to cheat my. What you want to say?
No, I mean, you
fuck with me, my bro?
No, you're cool, man.
Fuck with me?
No, I mean, Chimba, yeah?
Let me find out.
No.
Try to cheat, bro. Fuck is real there. I'm fucking idiot. I'm like, watching you. You know what? We all in the house together. I'm watching you. 24/7.
24/7. I can't hear.
You loud, motherfucker.
Sabi you so be jana na kra wo na wo kwa na yi ma jana man. Enya play ya.
Pantan akwa no ba fia me si min ma kwa no wande. De wa na me hu
Ana wo nya na afi na wo ka ni kura mu di kwa me hwa dan so ene ye di wusi ka ma enya na ne wadure na ye den. Wo chire semina ye den. De na wo gie swaga. Dwene wo ho hwe wo lem na me so hwe me lem. Bra no na ho sa no enye se wo no wona mo kwa. Ati madam wo bo ne pa wono wo chire nyina adakwa me chire nyina bi ni di nkomo se bossu pa cho madam ya le wo ye ne den. O se Pantan. So aga de ontina ni mu mame wo na wo be me ka sai nisuo
Wan nisu.
Boss
Ono nisu.
am se boss nsu
Akwa minim no twase ni o.
o just ni we
Wura na ye ni play yesu wuro minim no pa sa Stunna no.
so aga
On Sunday me de kum se on Sunday London.
what me create ade pa
Me create one.
a what me ha woni na kabla no wo no ochine o be se ba bi kura okwa de so fo ne kire se wo mompa ye nya fast se me bana de kura woni o
Pantan. De wo ye no. E kamera sa se wo di bra na chi. Ase o cover ground underground bi ase o hwe e na me so no ba afia na kan hu se ye ba na ye di nkomo bi ase na wo ba e kamera sa se wo ne gan wala bi ye de mu ye na mi ma hu
me
de wo ye na wo fon wo so na mi ma hu
struggle fast ade ni
but kan hu se o mre be so
se
wati
me dia na me
papa o mre be so
me no aya na me pese me yi nipa waboa me boni ayeda me se nipa boa me so me sa kohwe nkwa me so ne san kohwe owo da asema wo ken kwa me me afi wa himfi
wo be me enya me kra wo nim kumase e na me so na wo ba kumase
enti na me di me
ese ne wa ba tete wo be hu obi nipa so ono no wa call landing penti no se wo ne ye me ma bi on
ne nya hute
bo no landing ono onim landing
kaje
landing ni nua panyini Stunna was one na wo landing bo ne mimi nim no kwam dan so ana opon kwam dan so na me se nim no se hwi yo so o kari boku
Adam me se wo kan se mo nya me mfa no me misika me pa kohwe amo no jemfo wo ti asante mampon de hia me wati ase eti sa boss ase me wo de kede me kwa wo hwe kra se nya me ti pe no ana me kra be ma kra me pe kra nya bi ni we ni mo dododo me mpe wati ase me wo ma ni pa da ne paboni
ma tintin de me frɛ wa asɛm a me de tu onim no no me ye na ma ko inside why na boy we
me dwene madam ho so beto no o shala na me bom pa ye no chese wo de wo bom pa ye na de bia to kwa
o we din lan se nipa ni kari koko wo se hwi me na me ni boy no no ko ayi
o kai die koko kwa chi tawe ye ni de bia sanka wa kreti ade no ka to so ade wo chi ne to afam mo ashibi on antiata mo se de ayi atwubo na ha you so be gin feelings and I how
So what's going on?
Yeah.
So you don't talk to me out there?
Yeah, everything is good.
Okay.
But I want to talk. I want to make us mention.
Okay, go ahead.
The guy who calls Stunna.
Okay, what about him?
Yeah.
No, I don't like him.
Yeah.
So what's wrong?
The guy is trouble mind. The guy is trouble mind. Then we can say what it is. What it now? Okay.
What have you seen about him?
they take your stepmother going to juju. Just why in juju? Why not do?
Wait a minute.
So that
Wait.
So that
Wait.
so that so the eyes off. I don't do
Blackout?
Yeah, black house. You said
Blackout.
blackout. Yeah.
That's right.
Nanikusia.
So wait a minute. You just said he took my son to juju, the voodoo?
You say?
You didn't mean he took my stepmom to voodoo?
You say?
So you heard me. Don't play with me.
Yeah, I heard you, but you can't speak louder. Action.
Are you saying to me he took my son to the voodoo?
To voodoo, yeah, juju.
So he did it.
He did it. So watch him down.
Okay.
He's the Satan so much. Or your Ponsamakasa.
Okay.
Yeah.
Again, let me ask you one more time. One more time. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
You did just say again.
You said?
He took my stepmom to a voodoo?
W on free voter.
Bro, you don't understand what I'm fucking saying. Don't play my fucking mind.
You say?
Are you trying to tell me this idiot, what do you call him, Stunna?
Stunna.
Took my stepmom to the voodoo?
A voodoo, what? You
Voodoo
like?
to close his eyes?
Please listen to me very careful. The eyes is closed.
Eyes are closed.
That's who na Deepening.
Okay,
Yeah.
so he's a cause of the issue.
Yeah, issue. Because I over half a day, I saw him. I know him come down soon.
Come down so.
Swagger, open. Ubeji wani so. We are one here, how many couple of food in the image now? Chida ya meeting na so bad. Boss.
Tell me, who are you again?
Boss, me aka say the first anti man.
Oba me ka twa na brofo. Ka brofo ni pa no ntitwi. Ntina na me brɛ wa asa.
Ntitwi.
Ntitwi kula.
Eti dem kan yi na ma shego.
Wa shegu.
Boss, my name is Pantan. You can call me Pantan.
What the fuck are you saying about that? What's that?
This bush name.
Yes.
So what's the story? Why are you here?
I'm from Asantima.
So why are you here? I'm talking to this man. Why you jumping and
Don't close Pantan. Even when somebody is sitting talking, don't close. Please, the name Pantan. Yeah, because the hair is long too much.
And yeah.
I see you walking around the house, man.
My mother born me. My father is.
Can't say the old can I show free up.
My no or papa.
Shim can the old can.
What is she saying? I don't understand.
No,
No,
relax.
What do you want?
I am the maid in this house.
Okay.
Your name is sister.
My stepmother.
Yes.
What about her?
I'm cooking, serving, everything in this house I'm doing.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah. You are welcome to myself.
Do you know what?
So, why are you here?
But I'm sitting in the chair in this place.
Okay.
I'm selling something for this boy.
Okay.
She dissing Madam husband.
No,
it is not true.
No.
You
I don't
liar, Papa.
I don't lie.
Wait. Let me know what she's saying, because I heard you. What you want to say about him?
Madam husband.
Okay, what about him?
He a good person. Everything she treats me good, treat this good, madam. This boy didn't like it. She's a bomb.
Wait, are you here to? Wait, so you're snitching on my condition or something?
Don't snitch me. You are snitching me because I don't like the thing. Who is snitching?
So you say he good. That
Yeah.
That bastard is good.
Yeah.
And he said he ain't good.
This boy is evil.
Wait 1 second. Come here.
What's saying?
Come here.
Oh yeah, you so we didn't come. What do I want?
Come here.
That's what I didn't
Come here.
Boss, back
Go on the knees, right? Go on the knees.
Lay down.
Go on the knees.
Hey,
Come closer. Is he sleeping with you? Is he sleeping with you?
Is he sleeping? What happened?
Wadi, wait.
Who?
Debbie only.
So-
I'm going to treat you.
So why are you speaking for her? Why say you're good?
A good person. Treat me good, treat good, everything good in this house.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
This boy is liar for himself.
okay, go back and sit down.
Yeah.
That's so talking like that. Please Steady that guy. Stunna.